Hello, my dear students. Now let's talk about the greatest, the biggest, the most valuable integers. I just wrote down few examples here. When all numbers are positive, I know you are not going to make a mistake, such as the first one here. The first question there, all the numbers are positive. Which one is the greatest? Which one is the biggest? 10. 10 is the biggest. 10 is here, all the way to the right, all the way 10. 10 is there, 7 is here, and 1 is here, and 8 is there. That makes 10 the biggest. Now, let's keep the same thinking, and now let's look at the question number 2. Over here, we got all the numbers negative. Negative 4 is here, negative 8 is there, negative 9 is here, and negative 2 is here. Guess which one is the greatest in the value? The more you are right, closer to the 0, the more the value of the number is. So here, negative 2, you just have to circle, negative 2 is the greatest. There, 10 was the greatest, negative 2 is the greatest. Now let's look at number 3. Minus 7, minus 5, 0, and negative 1. Let me use blue color for this. Negative 7 is here, negative 5 is here, 0 is here, and negative 1 is here. Which number is the greatest? 0. In this case, 0 is bigger than any negative number, so circle that. Question number 4. Minus 8, minus 1, minus 7, minus 9. Minus 1 is the one closest to 0. That's the biggest in the value. How about here? 7, 9, minus 10, minus 5. Over here, let's just ignore the negative numbers here. We just got two positive numbers here. One of them is the greatest. 9 is bigger than 7. And last example at this page, the biggest, greatest in value is negative 1 because that's the closest to 0. Now, when you don't have the number line, if you have positive numbers here, so you know the greatest in value is 77. But when all numbers are negative, negative 44, 84, 90, negative 19, and negative 21, look for the one that's the closest to 0. That's the greatest in the value. In this case, 19. So you just have to circle. Let's practice.